Hey everyone, welcome back to another Odoo 19 tutorial by Cybrosys. Today in this video, let me teach you how to create and use purchase templates in Odoo so you can speed up recurring RFQs. Let's jump in. First of all, let's navigate to the purchase app. So here you have the purchase. The very first thing you have to do is go to the configuration, then choose settings. So inside the configuration settings, under the orders, you have to make sure to enable the purchase agreements. So mine has already been enabled. Then click on save. Like if you are enabling it right now, make sure to save it. Then you can go back to the purchase module. So the very next thing is to create the template you reuse for future RFQs. For that, you can go to the orders, under which you can find the purchase agreements, and then create a new one. So click on new and such a form appears. So first thing is to select a vendor, or you can leave blank to reuse with multiple vendors. So I am going to choose a vendor, let it be Abigail Peterson. Okay, so you can even leave it empty as I said before. Then comes the agreement type. Okay, so the agreement type, like you have to choose the purchase template. You have two options. One is the blanket order, the other one is purchase template. So I'm going to choose a purchase template. Like I'm going to create a purchase template. So create a template. Then you, like, as I said before, leaving the vendor blank makes the template reusable. Okay. So very handy for frequent orders. And the next thing is to add products to the templates. So you can add the products and set quantities as well as the prices. For that, click on the product tab and click on add line. Then you can choose a product. You can choose one product or even multiple products. So I'm choosing whiteboard pens. Then you can set quantities as well as unit price. Okay, I've set a quantity and unit price. So prices are not auto-filled for templates. You can set unit price manually as well. After all your details have been provided, like I'll set the vendor empty, okay? Now, after everything has been added, you can simply click on confirm. So, a new template has been created. So, if you forgot to set a price, the product line stays at 0. So, confirm agreed prices with vendors first. Now, create an RFQ from a template. Okay. So, create a new quotation from the template. What happens is that it auto-populates key info. From the template itself, you have the option to create a new quotation. So click on that, and if the vendor was chosen, then the vendor's name will be there. If not, you can choose the vendor from here. Okay, so I'm choosing the vendor as Abigail. Okay, and in the products tab, you can click add a product to adjust lines or remove the any of these products. So if this is okay, then you can go with it. Then also you have the option to edit the quantities or even the unit price. Okay, so like you can simply go to the templates, you can choose a new quotation, choose vendor, edit the products, and then your whole procedure is done. So when your RFQ looks good, send it to the vendor or confirm the order. It's that simple. Okay. So from the RFQ, click send by email or send the RFQ to send it to the vendor. So RFQ has been sent right now. Once the vendor agrees, so I'm sending it. So once the vendor agrees, what you can do is confirm the order. Okay. So after confirming it, what happens is that this will become what? A purchase order. Okay. So you can always see this RFQs or orders linked to the template. Return to the purchase template via the breadcrumbs. I'm going back to the template. You can see this thing. Okay. And it lists the created and confirmed orders which have been created out of the template. Okay. So purchase template is basically reusable RFQs or the blueprints. Okay. It works across vendors if vendors are left blank, and manual price entry is required for template product lines. You don't have to skip it. Templates save time for recurring purchases and simplifies RFQ creation. Okay. So it's reusable manual price set. Okay. So if you, like, this is the purchase agreement. Now, if you go to the RFQ over here, click on new. You have the agreements over here where you can choose the one that you created. From here also you can do that. Okay. So that's it. Fast and repeatable RFQ with purchase template. If this helped, like the video, subscribe to Cybrosys, and drop a comment if you want a walkthrough of blanket orders versus the templates. So see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, and that's it.